my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and thank you for joining me today. This next recipe is something that we all love for Christmas. It's something nice and sweet. And once again, I'm reimagining what my mom made for Christmas. Now this she never really made. She would buy it in a can. I believe the brand was Borden's. And it wasn't in the refrigerated aisle. It was in the milk aisle, where the milk and tea is in the supermarket. Well, I'm going to give you two different versions. One is going to be the classic version, and the other one is going to be the healthy makeover version. All right, now get ready for a ride, for this sweet ride. And thank you for joining me. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
I'll be making half of the recipe, so I'll be cutting all the ingredients in half. The original yields 13 cups or 26 servings. Mine will be 6.5 cups. All right, back to the video.
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Audio Jungle.
If you're starting with milk straight out of the refrigerator, it's going to be cold and it's going to take a while to heat up on the fire. So as you see here, I stopped a couple of times, waited for it to heat up, and then started stirring again. Okay, now back to the video. Tempering the eggs may take a little elbow grease and a little time, but remember you're trying to warm up the eggs to temper it. So when you add it back to the hot liquid, it doesn't curdle. Alright, now back to the video.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
I'm using low-fat milk for this, so it's not going to thicken as much as you'd like it to. But you'll see if you make the classic recipe, it will thicken. Alright, now back to the video.
And friends, have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
If you're still hanging with me, thank you so much. Why don't you stay around for the rest of this video where I show you how to make the classic eggnog. Okay, now back to the video and enjoy.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere in sight. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my
Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you enjoyed this video, why don't you give me a like, comment down below, and share this video if you dare. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing? And if you are subscribed, please hit that notification bell so your notifications are turned on and you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. Okay, as in parting always, many blessings and much favor. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Until next time.